YouTube, it's Erin and I am the Handbag Housewife and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be a double unboxing, unbagging situation. And as you can see, this package got a slit in it. Luckily, it's still arrived. It is from Lululemon. It is one of the last two pieces that I ordered. I haven't been able to find another large size belt bag that I want, but I am getting ready to go on a brief vacation this weekend with a friend from another YouTube channel. It is Julie with Agent Bag Reviews. We are both going to leave our significant others and families at home and take a quick girls trip down to Dallas, Texas, and do some vlogging and shopping. And I will have the opportunity to go into a couple Lululemon stores, so I may buy just one more of the belt bags while I'm there. They are much more widely available in stores than they are online. Online, as you know, it's so sporadic whether or not you can get one. This other item in this box is a Coach item. I did open it, but I haven't unwrapped it at all. I wasn't really sure what it was because it's been a while since I ordered it, and the order said that it had been accepted, but then it never went past that. So I think let's open the Lululemon first. So this will be easy because it's already partially opened. And as you can see, it is a large everyday belt bag. And I say everyday, I don't know why I keep saying everyday. It is a large everywhere belt bag. I do love the large size, but I did have the opportunity to carry the regular size to a football game last Saturday, and it was fabulous. And the game regulations are that it can be the palm of your hand size. This one you might get away with, but it also is sort of borderline. So I think it's good to have a couple different sizes. This one is in the color Silver Drop, and I almost didn't order it because I ordered the regular size in the color Silver Drop, but that order is the one that got canceled. So I'm glad that I ordered this because I do like both sizes, and I think it's a beautiful color. It's a shimmery pale gray and almost gives that metallic look because of the shine, but it's not metallic. I've got all my stuff loaded up in my sage gray large, and I did want to show you how much these hold, the large ones, because I showed you how much the small ones hold, but I never showed you how much the large ones hold. Now in the back pocket, I have plenty of room to stick my phone. That's where I tend to put it. And then in the middle, look, I just got gobs of stuff in here. I've got a card case by Coach, my medicine pouch. I have a decent sized pouch. This is one that comes in a set of 3 from Amazon. I combined my 2 smaller pouches into this, and all I had to take out was my hand sanitizer. I've got 2 Louis Vuitton key clays as well as a comb. I have an envelope with some cash from the bank. I have a feminine product. In these 2 pockets here on the front, I have my AirPods case as well as my car key fob. And then in the back, I've just got some papers and I think a gift card and some punch cards. And so you can see that is everything I carry. That's not really even condensed down. The only thing I'm missing is my little Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer. And I do believe I have room to pop that in here easily. So that's everything. You can see there's definitely room right there for the hand sanitizer. And when it's all zipped up, you're not seeing distortion. And I still have, like I said, room to pop my phone in the back. When I have my phone in the back, it's not quite as comfortable on my body because it's real firm on the back side, but it definitely works. And I found I can just loosen the belt up just a little bit, and that tends to do the trick. So I will probably spray my Silver Drop one. I can't remember if I sprayed this one or not. I definitely sprayed my one that looks like copper. It's called Burnt Caramel. I sprayed that one. It was okay. It kind of looked a little dark at first and it worried me, but it evened out. So I like to spray things that are material with a waterproof protector, and If you haven't watched my Come Spray With Me video, I can link my handbag care tips and tricks playlist down in the description box. You may find all sorts of things that would be helpful in that playlist. I'm gonna spray this everywhere belt bag with a little bit of Scotch Guard type stuff. I like Colonel Carbon Pro. I like Apple Guard. I also found a new brand that I can get at a sports store, like for shoes, Hibbett Sports, and theirs doesn't stink like Scotch Guard does. But anyhow, if you want to know how I spray my bags, go access that playlist that I just talked about. My second unboxing is a Coach unboxing, and I thought I need to do this because I might actually use this item today. It came beautifully packaged. Now look at this, guys. This is how you package what's in here. I think that this is pretty incredible how they wrap these. I have showed you how well they wrap these in the past, but I mean, there's some significant care involved in getting this item to me without it being crushed or smashed or anything like that. So this is the chalk version of my denim hat, and actually they call this white, so I think that's interesting. I wonder if it's really white or if it is chalk. So I'm gonna have to grab a chalk bag and just see if the leather on this hat is chalk or if it is truly white. This is my Beechwood color block Rogue shoulder bag. I prefer this style of Rogue to the other styles. They don't make it anymore. You can find them for pretty decent prices on the resale market. This one is in Beechwood color block. It's smooth leather. It feels amazing, like YSL or Saint Laurent quality. Amazing. And it's got chalk on the sides. So let's just see. Is that the same? I think it is. I'm going to look at it with my eyes directly on it. Yes, so the leather trim on this is slightly darker than the hat. So I think the hat is actually white, but I do think that the leather bits are chalk. You can see it's sort of creamy looking. And while I have this bag out, I just got to give her a spin. She's so pretty. She has the chalk on the sides with the Beechwood overlay, and then I believe that the handles are a light saddle. And look at the beautiful C-link. People die for C-link chains, and I just love that these Rogue shoulder bags have those, as well as the hang tag in the light saddle color with Bordeaux or wine on the back, probably Bordeaux. The interior of this bag is a smooth glove tan leather, and I think that that's again in the wine or the Bordeaux color. It's just so pretty. I mean, look at this. Isn't that bag just beautiful? Actually, let's see, I've got all the charms. This little snake charm, the C thing, it came from a Dreamer bag, and a sales associate was kind enough to give it to me, and I just love how it looks on this bag. I'm not here to talk about that bag. I just had to show it while I had it out. This hat has lots of stuff in it to keep it structured. I have a chalk outlet hat. The chalk outlet hat does not have the leather bit around the front. I don't always like the leather trim around the front, but I wanted to get this one just because of how much I love the denim version that I've showed you, and a lot of you have ordered it. This is still available for half off for $62.50, so it's like basically the same price as the outlet hats, and it's retail. And if you look inside, it has a nice padded strip right there that goes around the front of your face, much like right here. But this feels, I think, more padded, more luxurious than this one. This hat feels lighter weight than this material. And you can see this material has texture to it. You can see the C's are almost elevated, kind of like they were with the denim. This one is very flat. And on this one, the C's are lighter And on this one, on the brim, let's see if I can get that to show. On the brim, I would say the C's might be a little bit darker. And on the rest of the hat, it's almost just like a jacquard type fabric where the C's are the same color, but they are raised up. It's really just a whole textural experience. And it's way too tight for me. I have to loosen these up to almost as much as they will loosen. But I can tell you, based on how this feels, that I really like the retail hats. I do think the outlet hats definitely have a place. They're lighter weight. Oh, it's so tight. I just almost have to loosen these up so where it just barely tucks in to the little tab holder. But I also feel like the retail hats tend to fit me just a tiny bit better than the outlet hats do. Now this outlet hat has had some breaking in, but it's just a little bit less curved around the front. You see, I don't know. I think I prefer the retail version just a little bit over the outlet version, with the caveat that this is thinner material. So in the summertime, I think that this hat, if you're wearing it to the pool or something, would be better. And this hat might be better if it's not quite as hot because it is thicker material. But I love them both. I'm glad that I went ahead and got them both. They're both beautiful, and I'm glad that they're different enough that it helps me justify getting more than one hat in the same color. So I think I might have had another order land on my doorstep while I was doing this video, so stay tuned for the rest of the week. I think I have a few things to show you. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring my notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase, all one word. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.